Hey guys, I am so excited to share my newest love with you, and that is the MintSonic V-Lift Facial Brush. I am obsessed. Look how cute it is. It even comes with this little stand that you can just set by your skincare, so it's kind of like a daily reminder to use it every single day. But it has 3 different features, and I am going to walk you through how I use the features and incorporate it into my daily skincare routine. So the first thing I want to do is just apply your facial cleanser as normal. Just all over your face and get it all over there. And then the first step is that the first side here has these silicone bristles on it. And then you're just gonna turn it on and it will start to vibrate. And it has different vibration speeds depending on how you wanna use it. And then you just go around here and gently massage it into your face. And it just honestly makes you feel like you are getting such a deep clean. I love this so much. My favorite thing is that whenever I'm using it, like at night, I'm taking my makeup off, it's honestly like a magic makeup eraser because it gets off makeup that you didn't even know that you still had on your face. I just am so obsessed with how this cleans your face. It just gives you an extra deep scrub and really gets through to your pores and really feels like you just get that next level cleaning. Okay, and so for the next step, what I usually do is I usually use it with my serums or my moisturizer. I'm gonna use it with my moisturizer, but I'm gonna go ahead and just apply my moisturizer all over my face. Oh my gosh. After using that with my cleanser, my face feels so soft, so smooth, so fresh, so clean. It's amazing. My skin feels amazing right now. I'm so impressed. So the second side, the back side here has these raised waves. And once you turn it on with the vibration, it acts as a massager for your face and really gets the product and the moisturizer and your serums deep into your skin. This is just so luxury feeling. I am in love with this. My face feels so soft and clean. It is just so nice. Last but not least, one of my favorite features is I personally always use a facial brush, but V-Lift really makes you feel like you are taking it to the next level in your skincare. And what I love about this is that it has these little balls at the top that rotate and they have little raised bumps on them. And I just use this as like a massage and contour for my face. And I just go around just like everywhere I really contour it and just lift it up. And it feels like you're giving your face like a full massage. And I just go on my cheeks and down here on my jawline. And of course, you never want to forget your neck. And so you want to go down here and do it. It feels so good. And then I will go up here and do it on my forehead. And I really cannot say enough about the V-Lift facial brush. I mean, it's so convenient. It's so tiny, teeny tiny that you can take it on the go. I'm trying to travel all the time. And so it's so convenient to take places with you. So you always feel like you're really getting that fresh, that deep clean. So your skin is always soft. And I am somebody who is more breakout prone. So for me, it's so nice to really enhance my skincare, my skin products with the V-Lift facial brush. And it allows me to really feel like I'm maximizing my skincare routine. So hopefully you can tell how much I love the V-Lift facial brush. It really feels like a luxury next level spa experience at home, on the go, wherever you are. It really gives your skin that clarity, that clean look, that fresh feel, and really just leads you to having better skin. I'm so thankful for the V-Brush. Thanks, guys.